We're a trucking and logistics company based out of Lafayette and primarily in the energy services corridor. Our operations depend on the safety of the motoring public and our owner-operators every day. The scariest part of my job is seeing an email come across that says a collision has occurred, but the detection systems and the data that we are afforded real time is pretty amazing. And what Motive does for us every day with the technology that we use is invaluable. Within minutes, I'll get an email that comes across, and then I'll see a video, and it helps guide what we're going to do as next steps. The amount of data that we were able to analyze before we turn those on and what we're seeing afterwards was probably at least a 75% reduction in speeding incidents. The resources prior to dash cams spent on understanding what happened in an accident and then dealing with the claim or the lawsuit, extraordinarily inefficient for us. We have recovered millions of dollars in revenue that was otherwise spent investigating claims and litigating claims. And it's not just the money involved, but it's the time. The amount of downtime, opportunity cost is extraordinary associated with someone being involved in a claim or a piece of litigation that's drawn out for years. And what this has allowed us to do is to essentially manage claims within days or weeks instead of years. We have high expectations of ourselves, so we have high expectations of the vendors that work with us, the people at Motive that we deal with strive for perfection, and I have every confidence that we're going to get there.